students, again I welcome you all in the computer online class. In last week in the computer class I taught you about the first chapter, that is computer system. In that I explain you about the what is computer, then the how the computer operates, the operation of a computer. In that I taught you 3 points, that entering and encoding data and instructions, processing data and instructions, decoding the results and displaying the output. Okay, I hope you understand all these topics what I had explained you in the last week. So once again I want to tell you some points regarding this. Means entering and encoding data. Last week I taught you how we are entering and encoding the data with the help of keyboard, mouse, scanner and other also input devices. Okay, then about the CPU also I told that processing work is done by the CPU, and one topic is left, that decoding and display, that output how we are getting. Today I want to explain you the topic. Okay, so once I want to show you the what we had studied last week, entering and encoding data and instructions. In that we see I told you about the how we are giving input with the help of keyboard, microphone, mouse, and after that we see in some other input devices which are very useful, which are used in computer. Okay, then after that what I taught you about the processing, how the computer processing, how the processor done the work with the help of central processing unit. In that I told you about the processor. Computer consists three parts. Processor consists of three parts, that is control unit, arithmetic logic unit and memory unit. So control unit, what I told you, control unit is the most important part of the microprocessor. In arithmetic logic unit we are doing the calculation, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In memory unit, what we are doing in memory unit is also called as RAM, in which we are storing our data temporarily, and this data is used for processing various processing steps. Okay, I hope you understand up to here. Now today I want to start our new topic, that is about the decoding the result and producing output. Decoding the result and producing output. In that I want to tell you what is decoding the result, how we are decoding the result and how we are getting the output. You can see here in output, what is decoding means how we are, after doing all the processing work, how we are getting out the result, how we are producing out the output. Output may adopt different shapes and styles. We can get in output in any shape and style. In the printer we get, in the monitor also we can get, by the microphone also we able to get the result. So here output may adopt different shapes and styles. The output may be in typed, printed or sketched form, or may be displayed on the screen. It can also be in the form of audio or video. You can broadly classify output as hard copy and soft copy. Do you know about the hard copy or the soft copy? Okay, so I am going to explain you here. Our next topic is what is hard copy and what is soft copy. What is hard copy and what is soft copy? Do you know what is hard copy? In the last previous classes also we studied about the hard copy and the soft copy. Hard copy is that which we are getting in the printing form, and soft copy is that which we are seeing in the monitor. In briefly I want to explain you here. You can see what is hard copy. A hard copy is a permanent copy in the form of a physical object. In the form of physical object means we can hold it in the hand also, like print out on the paper. What we are getting print out in the paper, what we are seeing in the monitor, with the help of printer we can take out in the paper. Next is soft copy. What is soft copy? A soft copy is an electronic copy of some type of data, such as file viewed on a computer's display, which we can able to see in the monitor. That is called soft copy. Here some of the examples are also there for the output devices. They are monitors, printers, speakers and plotters. These all are the type of output devices from where we are getting the output. Okay. Now you see here, we will read the book. Once again, if I will read the book, you will understand properly what I had taught you now. A hard copy is a printed copy of information from a computer. It is called hard copy because it exists as a physical object. A soft copy. A soft copy is an electronic copy of some type of data. It can easily viewed on a computer screen or in case of audio heard from computer speaker. You can store it once media such as in a hard disk, CD, DVD or USB flash drive or email it. Okay? Do you know understand about the hard copy and the soft copy? Okay, now next is output devices. As I shown you some output devices also. What all are the output devices? First I will read, then I will explain you. Output devices are used to obtain results produced after processing. These devices translates the coded output into a form that the user can understand. Output device are that device in which we are getting out the result, and after getting the result we will understand the what we will get. The commonly used output devices are monitor, on or visual display unit. Commonly we are getting the results in the monitor only. Printer and speaker. Video is used to display data or result in the form of text, graphics or images. Monitors can be CRT or LCD or plasma based. Printer is used to produce output in the form of printout or paper. Some printers operates like typewriters, other uses heat, special chemicals, lasers or combination of these methods or place characters on papers. A speaker produces output in the form of audio and the signal and sound. You can see here drum plotter, flatted plotter and inkjet plotter. These are the types of output device. A speaker and LCD projector. This is the output devices through which we are getting the output. Understood all of you? Now next is other input devices is LCD and projector. Include plotter, LCD and projector. These are also the type of output device. Then plotter. What is plotter? Plotter use pens to create drawing, diagrams and graphs on paper on plastic sheets. LCD projector is used to project image or text stored in a computer onto a screen. Means we are with the help of LCD projector what we are able to see, we can able to see the images or on a screen. Next is multifunction devices. Do you know about the multifunction devices? Multifunction devices means the devices which are input also and output also, both the work they are doing. See here, some devices can act as both as input device and an output device. All the memory devices are combined input output devices. Multifunction printer which also has a scanner, that is input device, a fax machine and a copier output built in them are very common nowadays. Touch screens are used to provide input as well as display output. Digital camera, headset, microphone, digital video camera are some input output devices. Storage devices like DVDs, CDs, USB pen drives can be used as input output as well as storage devices. Mobile phone with memory cards and camera in them also act as multifunction devices. Now next topic is storing information. That I told you that we are giving the input, then then CPU is doing the processing work. After that we are getting the output. After that what we are doing, we are storing that information for the further use. So in which we are using, computers are able to process millions of instructions in a second. The speed of a computer system depends on its memory. Computer memory refers to the devices where data and instructions can be stored. It also acts as a buffer between the CPU and the application program. Buffer means, what is a buffer? Buffer is a section of computer memory where data is stored before being used. Before the computer is used, all the instruction, all the data are stored. This all process is called buffer. Okay, now today I complete my topic here only. Next week again I want to teach you about the memory. What is memory? And before that I want to show you what are the multifunction devices. You can see here, these are the multifunction devices like a printer, multifunction printer. We are getting out the printout also, touch screen also,